Hello guys, welcome to Guess the Switch. This is a thing where I have my keyboard, it's a bit of a jumble wumble. It's like a Ducky 1-2 Mini is what it started with, but I'm going to challenge you guys in the comments to guess what Switch I'm using. This is a HyperX Quadcast S refurbished, so it's got a little bit of tang back, but we'll see if you like it. So, I haven't typed on this for a while, and it's not really much of an excuse for my horrible 49 words per minute, but, yeah, I'll gotta work on my typing speed to some degree, but let's see if anyone can guess the Switch, and, I will say one company that makes it is, well, it's made by most major companies.